Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making a pumpkin banana bread. This one is so delicious, so moist, so easy to make, and it's the perfect way to use up your bananas. My child loves bananas, and if I don't buy them, he wants them. But if I buy them, we always have leftover ones that are going bad, and this is the perfect recipe to make. I add in some chocolate chips because chocolate makes everything better. So I hope you guys enjoy.